What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. And today we are having Boodle Fight. Boodle Fight. So Boodle Fight is a Filipino what you call it? It's like a feast kind of. It started off at the army where they will put banana leaves out, and then they'll put all different types of dishes out there, and then all of the army people, what you call it?
Just eat.
Yeah, they'll just eat. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna eat with our hands, no spoons, no forks. So yeah, so what we have, we made a few different dishes or sides. We have mango salad, we have baked eggs, some okra, we got some beef skewers and chicken skewers, we got fried tilapia, and some pork belly. Yeah, pork belly. Yeah. All right, so
Let's eat.
let's eat.
Let's start with some chicken.
So she made the chicken satay, right? Chicken satay. And this is a Cambodian recipe for the beef skewer. It has lemongrass, kaffir, lime leaf, galangal, and garlic, and some other seasonings in there. Hopefully it's good. It's not salty like the last time.
Last time you made it, it was so salty.
Oh, the hell is salty.
You couldn't even eat it.
You don't have to tell everybody, then calm down.
We have a special guest too.
Yeah, he's running around.
But he's shy.
Everything we'll get in the video. We got okra. Everyone, you guys know what okra is. Anyways, okra is like slimy on the inside. When you bite into it, it has seasons like all slimy. I like the slimy stuff.
It's good.
You guys try the egg, Selby?
Oh yeah, try the egg salad.
I put flour on the fish this time, so it'll be more crispy. Ooh. That's crispy. Jake, is it good, Jake? Is it good, no?
Yeah, good.
You like the beef stick?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I made it if it's good.
Wow. Oh, it's spicy. Almost burned down the house today.
Did you guys see the smoke?
In the backyard. It was pretty. Because the grill caught on fire. For real. Evan, come here. Come here, look. Come stand in the middle. Not down there.
Good try. Want to show your new toy?
So this is the pork belly that she made in the air fryer. It's supposed to be crispy, so you'll see.
I made the pork in the air fryer this time, Sabi.
Look, damn, she's tired.
Want some fish, Evan?
Fish is good, Evan.
Make sure there's no bones.
Ooh. So this is barbecue egg. Can you focus on this thing already? It's focusing on my face. And your face. Oh, there you go. So what we did was we cracked the top. See the hole? And we took out the yolk and everything inside, and then we seasoned it up. And then we just poured it back in there. And we baked it for like 2.5 hours. Then that's what happens.
It's good.
Huh?
Oh, Jake, don't you like that?
Hey, don't you like these eggs, Jake?
You want some eggs?
I know you do.
Remember last time Bob made it? You ate it all.
What you doing, Evan? So that's how the eggs look.
The fish with the mango salad is good.
Yep. Yep. Sure.
Ate a little of my kapun already.
The bun.
Yeah, I made the Japanese kapun.
The bun boy.
Crab meat, so it makes the meat taste weird. I mean, the soup is fine. My meat didn't come out because of crab meat.
This is the meat version.
Yeah, the bun rib.
Oh, that's not fair.
Bun
Rio. Rio. They're good.
Last time I got the crab meat at Safe Place, but this time I grabbed the one in the can. And at first it looked weird. I was all like, should I even put it in? I was all like, well, maybe it might taste okay.
There's a spot in San Diego. It's like a small Vietnamese shop. Not even big. Like not many people know about it. And they're known for their bun reels over there. Oh my god.
Where?
Yeah, the one across the street from 7-Eleven.
On El Cajon?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
El Cajon and Euclid. Across the street in that plaza.
That's it.
Yep.
The northeast corner.
Yep, next to the tire shop.
Yeah.
And then there's Jack in the Box right there too.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Yeah. That
knows.
place. That place is.
Yeah, she used to work in East Side, that's why.
We always order from there.
It was good.
Yeah, their window is the best one around there.
Yep.
You want to come sit with us?
You want to sit here? You can sit in the middle. Right there, go.
Are they still there?
I don't think so. Because I went to look for it one time and it's not there no more. Yeah, so I guess.
Special guest. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's your phone? Whoa.
You didn't hit your head, be careful.
Is this spicy?
The best place to get your Thai tea drink was that New Indian.
Huh?
New Eat. Just right across, just at that same corner. That restaurant. Near the laundromat.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. They have the best Thai tea.
No wonder he's going this way because Jake's putting it this way.
Jake, kill that fly. Evan, you're not gonna eat, Evan?
What, want fish?
Okay, let's go.
the fish with the mango.
Tomorrow we make stuffed chicken.
What is it?
Stuffed chicken.
Ooh. I always wanted to try to make that. Yeah, it looked like a lot of work.
It is. No, a lot of work just to keep the bone out.
Yeah, how do you get that out? Just cut top?
Yeah, you just kind of dissect it.
You can go help, and then I'll just sit here and do nothing.
No, it's already prepped.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
man.
All you have to do is just stuff it and fry it tomorrow.
Well, I can help you eat it.
Yeah, sure. And we can go buy more wings if you want to try to do it.
No, I'll help you eat it.
I have some wings.
Oh, yeah, then take it out and I'll show you how to do it so you can.
Show Kelly and she'll show me.
I'm so lazy.
What? I'm not lazy.
You say you want to learn, but then you
Yeah.
don't want to learn.
I'll learn later.
Well, Sayan did it all herself today.
Oh, great.
I was all like, I'm gonna make that.
Watching our videos?
Yeah.
You like watching our videos? Is that a yes? Liar.
Oh no, it's not here. Or maybe if I research the page, no.
How's the food so far?
Did that some?
Good?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's not.
It'll take one to a try.
Well, what is this? I never watched this.
What is it? You never watched that? That's rude.
I just want like a really small sip of it.
Orange vanilla coke.
And Shawa was like looking at all of this like weird
Flavor?
flavor soda. The other one was what? Blueberry Pepsi?
What?
Yeah.
Blueberry? Wow. What did you call that thing?
Squishmallow.
Huh?
What is it called?
Squishmallow.
Squishmallow?
Squish a mellow.
Squishamello?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mellow like a marshmallow.
Oh.
Because it
What
is
happened?
a marshmallow. But
That's
it's
good.
not actually.
You broke your teeth?
Almost from Costco.
That's from
Why are you
Costco.
laughing at me?
Because of her face?
Oh,
I know her face is funny, huh?
You sure?
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.